the best way to cook chicken breast, impress everyone. I'll start our recipe by cutting 2 chicken breasts. With a knife, we will open the chicken in the middle, but not fully. Let's use this opening to fill our recipe. Next, I will season the chicken with salt to taste, black pepper to taste, and also paprika to taste. Let's put some olive oil on our chicken, and then spread all the seasonings by hand. Let's stir well so that our chicken is very tasty. I'll put olive oil in a pan, and then add our chicken breasts. Let's stuff it with ham to taste. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Slavica Vranjes from Croatia. I'm glad you are enjoying our recipes. In a bowl, I will add 150 grams of mozzarella, 100 grams of heavy cream, an egg, and parsley to taste. With the help of a spoon, we will mix all the ingredients until it acquires the consistency of a cream. Let's put our cream on top of the ham, just like I'm doing. People, this recipe is incredibly delicious. You will be surprised. Do it at home and then come back here to tell me what you think. I'm sure you will love it. We will take our recipe to the oven at 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, we will add mozzarella to taste on top to give a special touch. Bake for another 15 minutes. And our recipe is ready. Look at the delight that was left. Stuffed chicken fillet, delicious to taste with the whole family. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.